Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to check for rule errors in your configurator using the INKAS Cockpit Inspector tool. The inspector is an expert tool. It enables and simplifies the verification and identification of incorrect inputs in the logical rule set of your configurator. In this case, we're checking the rule set of an e-bike configurator. Before we can use the inspector, a knowledge base KB for knowledge base must be selected using the version selector. It contains the rule set of your configurator created in the rule designer. This is displayed in the top right corner of the cockpit. Now we proceed to open the inspector. Then, all of the rules that meet the specified conditions are executed accordingly. To do this, we use the plus button in the top left corner of the toolbar. First, I select the feature. The various types of features are displayed in the drop-down menu. The rule is executed using the orange arrow on the user interface. All features are reset using the circular arrows. Now the rule set is executed and we can use the various functions of the inspector. With the sun and icon, the executed rules are examined. With the feature mark, the feature values are examined. The footprints oak leads to the feature tracking function. With the tree diagram, one examines the dependencies of the characteristics. With the equal sign, one examines the configuration results. On the right side of the toolbar, the current KB is displayed with the version we selected at the beginning above the version selector. Adjacent to it is the icon representing upload or export, as well as the icon representing download or import. All notifications can be viewed by accessing the bell icon in the system interface. Access menu via the burger icon. The function Ausgeführte Regeln examines the order of the executed rules by utilizing a tabular view for analysis and evaluation. In the upper gray bar, rules can be searched for by entering keywords. On the right side of this gray bar, you have the option to reset all sorting and filtering functions by clicking the clear button. Under the gray bar, there are 4 columns in which all executed rules are listed in order of execution. The left column specifies the execution order of all rules, so the rule with the numbering 1 is the first one that was executed, 2 is the second one, and so on. In the second column, all rules are specified exactly as they were named in the rule designer. Each rule is marked in the inspector as a blue label with the rule icon in front and the numbering at the back. The second to last column indicates the number of changes that have been made to each rule. The last column indicates the types of rules. Each column can be sorted by its respective header. The function feature values allows the investigation of all features with their values at the end of rule execution. Each feature is indicated for the inspector as an orange label with the corresponding feature type icon on the front. On each feature label, the feature name is stated and below it is the feature value if one is stored. By selecting the feature label, users can view detailed information. This information includes the feature name, the feature path, the feature value, the feature type, and the available values. In this instance, the brake type characteristic is saved in the e-bike product model. As the default value rim is selected and this is a list feature with a value selection of disc or wheel options. That was the tutorial for checking rule errors in your configurator with the inspector of the INKAS cockpit. Thank you for watching and have fun configuring.